Hello guys, today we are going to study parent to child SOQL on custom relationship field. Some friends they request on custom field, so what I have done, our purpose is to count the total salary, field. As you know, in account, what I have done, go to this is my employee. First of all, you need to create one custom field in total salary for an account. How many people or like users or people are there to get salary, total salary field I have created. So you can create, as you know, and then we have employees, they have salaries. So I also create a custom object employees. So because for employees I have created like employees name field, this is text, and then I also create a salary which is currency decimal. So I have created also the important part, which is a lookup relationship with account. So when you come to employee, then you need to create a new lookup relationship with account. This the field I have filled. I have, let me show you. As you can see, I'm going to create someone likes, who is that? Michelle, and her salary is 5,000, and she works for Toyota. Then save it. As you know, in Toyota, she works for Toyota and opportunity. Okay, I have one more, like, let me just select all of them and then show their salary also. So this is employee name, salary, and then maybe to show if we have account here, account. As you can see, Alex and Aslihan, they work for Sony, and then Jabbar and Michelle, they work for Toyota. So there, I would like to note the count these two values, so how much they are. Okay, so then after, let's go to our developer console and then see what we did. So first of all, you need to create class, and then this is my scenario, and then public static void, and then your method name should be related, pertain to your count total salary, like your what you want to do. So for this, we want to create a list of account, like account with employees, and then let's try this one here. I already actually wrote here. So what you need to do, since this is parent to child, in parent to child, what you have to do is select, sorry for just 1 second. In parent to child relationship, what you need to be careful, select ID. ID is a custom field, but total salary we have created. So if it is, this is the name of IP name of that field. Let's go there and see. Look at our account. Total. If you go to total, So when you are searching, you need to write IP name of, if you are querying data from, you know, parents to child, or in parent child relationship, then you need to, if you are querying information, pulling information from database, then here you need to write the IP name of the field. And if it is parent to child, then you need to write from child. If you want to get information, just be careful, you need to write one inner inquiry, select ID and salaries. Salaries, total salary of whom we already create salary for each employees, right? Underscore underscore C from employees. This is, just be very careful, this is the relationship name. Let me show you here quickly in employees. As you can see, go to account, lookup relationship. This is our relationship name. So relationship name, it is in lookup relationship, it is in child side. So and then if it is relationship name, and if it is a custom object, we don't write C, we write R. So after that, then we check if my list is not empty, not ACC list is not empty, then we initialize the salary with 0. As you know, the salaries are in decimal by default, and then total salary for that field initialize with 0. And then for this, we want to know how many employees. So for that, we iterate another for loop employees, and then again, this is the IP name of the like custom field, custom objects. This is object, sorry. And then variable name ACC employees, ACC employee are like relationship name, because this is a custom object. If it's a custom object, so this part we get from here. And then total salary equals to total salary plus employee employee, which includes this list, and then salary, and then account salary equals to total salary. So after we check out of this two loop, okay, for this two loop, then we check our condition. If this is not empty, then update the salaries. Let's first execute here. As you can see, our salary total is 25 and 35 for, one is 15, then going to the side, 15 and 20 becomes 35. I think we didn't save the other one, that's why it is not updating. It should be 30 normally. Let's go back and then update it. For example, if I go to account side, for Sony, and then click details, and then go to total salary, it is 35. And then go to another account, to Toyota, and details, and then it is 25. So what happened? Let me enter some other salaries for I want to create salaries not for only these two. This is another account. Let's create a new what is that employee name? Let's say Timoteo. Timoteo, and his salary is 10,000, and he works for Alikaya. And then let's save it. Go to total salary, select ID salary, then execute. Sometimes it takes. Let's close this one. It come here. Actually 10,000 it seems here, but it is not coming here. So select ID total salary, select ID from account. Yeah, as you can see, if I go to my this, where is it? Which one was it? If you execute this one, refresh this grid. Yeah, this criteria maybe is not created, but as you can see, this one is most probably the name of account is not written. If you write here name or name, then it will be, sorry, comma, then we will know the name of account. This is Alekaya. This is 15, it will come. Sony, as you can see, Sony is 35 and Toyota is 42. Let's go and see. Sony is 35 and Toyota is, as you can see, 42. That is correct. So these are matching my criterias, like what we did. Going to our class, what we did is, if we said if this my list is not empty according to this criteria, and then as we can see, if it's not empty, then account make an account list according to that, and then put the salaries, and then for each employees, okay, for each employees, then we have the salary, and then this salary will be shown in account, total salary field. So total salary will be because we are going to count each employee's salary. For that reason, the total salary will be total salary plus employee salary, and account total salary is our total salary. Then here to update if it's not empty. So that's, in this way you can update or count and a custom field by using a custom relationship, lookup relationship with a custom object. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you very much.